my bags packed. I'm ready to go. Let's go to New York, baby. So, flight got delayed. I'm waiting until 11 to get on my plane to go to Chicago, and then I'm gonna try and get on a flight before 6 because my scheduled flight's at 6. Ugh. So the universe is on my side. We're gonna do I made it. I just wanted to show you guys my friend's little kitchen area. It's so adorable. And when it's sunny out, it has nice lighting. And then there's a nice mirror that we put here because I was braiding my hair for tomorrow. I'm super excited. So there's an update. Essentially what's happening is my friend didn't make his flight, so I'm going to go all by myself this first day at least. And yeah, you guys are gonna come for the ride.
Huh?
Good morning. So it's day 1 of Gov Ball Fest. Just put my wristband on. Got the 3-day pass. Today I want to see so many people. I really want to see the internet. I never thought I would see the internet, but I'm definitely going to see the internet today. Brockhampton, Blood Orange, Lil Wayne, Tyler the Creator, and if I get there early, I want to see Still Woozy. So I have a lot of things lined up. I'm going to be doing this day 1 solo fest. I'm pretty excited, so stay tuned to watch the transformation. So as you can see, I got ready. I'm in my full outfit right now. I can't decide between what glasses I'm gonna wear, but I think I'm going towards these ones. I also have this one as a choice. I'm gonna bring both, either way. They both look good. So this is the fit. I made this a couple days ago. It's a 3-piece outfit. So I have these chap biker shorts and a bodysuit and then this clip shawl. And this is the back. It's gonna be hot today, so I'm probably gonna end up taking this off, and it looks fine just without, like the whole outfit looks fine without this. so I'm not stressed. And I bought a locker, so I can put anything in my locker. I'm actually bringing another bag besides this. Oh, I also made this chain. I got it from Lowe's. I just got a couple of hooks and assembled it. It was super easy. I got this bag thrifting and it's so useful. It is amazing. It has like a pocket right here, and then it has another secret side pocket. So so that's a plus. But yeah, I'm ready to go on my journey. Golf ball, baby. I tried to be cute and I fell over. Oh, I'm also wearing my Fenty Creepers. I think they were a nice little touch. So this is the fit. Take the video.
In the extendo.
Update. So I got to see Vince Staples a little bit, Playboy Cardi and Denzel Curry. This is the Honda stage. It's cool. This is where I saw Denzel Curry and Playboy Cardi, but I'm about to go see Zoo, so stay tuned. Good morning! So it's day 3 of Gov Ball and there's supposed to be thunderstorms today, so the sets have been pushed back to 6:30, which is kind of annoying, but I understand our safety is good. I need to go to Uniqlo to go buy like a rain jacket because I bet it will rain. And I'm about to go meet my friend Megan that I met at the concert the day 1. We're about to go eat and get ready together. So I will update you guys on that. Due to approaching severe weather, all persons should move quickly and calmly to the nearest exit and seek shelter for safety. Please follow the instructions from public safety personnel outside the site. So there's thousands of people on Randall's Island trying to evacuate, and the shuttles aren't running, the bus to Manhattan's not running, the ferry is barely running, and on top of that, there's an Uber blackout. There's like no way to get off of this island. So eventually, my friend Meg and I found the way to walk off the island, right? And there's thousands and thousands of people trying to walk off the island. So everybody's trying to walk across the bridge, and it took an hour and a half. An hour and a half. Eventually I made it off the bridge and it was whatever, and there was notices on Twitter that we would get our refund back, and since then I have gotten my refund back. If I wouldn't have, I probably would never go to golf ball again, but I still kind of had a good time. It was just a bummer. It was a bummer. Tuesday. I'm walking around Brooklyn. I'm about to go eat some food. So there's this vegan spot that has like Thai food, so we're gonna check it out. Good morning. It is Tuesday, June 4th. It is my last full day here in New York, and I woke up with a sore throat. My body hurts, but it's okay. I've been walking around for the past like 5 days, so that's completely understandable. But today I'm gonna do everything that I haven't done yet. So I wanna go to Dover Street Market. I wanna go thrifting in Greenpoint. I wanted to go to the garment district and go to Mood and see what they had. So I'm super excited. I have a lot on my plate. I'm about to eat food here and like take a shower and get ready, and then I'm gonna head out for the day. So this is the fit of the day. I'm just wearing a cropped black t-shirt with a camo mini skirt. I have my K-Swiss like side bag with a black belt. And then I have my 125th anniversary Vogue tote with my interesting glasses. I'm wearing some star hoops and my nameplate, and then my CDGs. So this is the fit of the day. I'm about to go out, go to Mood, and stop by a couple of the places I haven't been able to go to since I've been here, because this is the last day, so gotta do everything that I haven't been able to do. So here we go. made it through TSA. It's time for me to get home. I want to see my cats. I'm super excited. I had an amazing trip. I gotta go home and edit this video. I will see you guys soon. So as you guys can see, I did make it home safe. I'm so thankful that I got to go on this trip. It was super enlightening. It was amazing. I met the best people ever, and it was my first time in New York. Plus I was alone the whole time because my friend couldn't make it, so I was alone in New York, first time ever, and I survived. If you guys want to watch more videos on the vegan lifestyle, fashion, thrifted transformations, blah 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 blah, then like this video, subscribe, comment below if you guys want me to do any requested videos. I appreciate the feedback, and I'm excited to see you guys soon. So, goodbye!